Hi, I am Nairobi. Creating text-to-video content for platforms like Instagram and YouTube can be a powerful way to engage your audience. With tools like InVideo, you can streamline the process, making it quick and efficient. No need to record or edit your own footage and voiceover, and you can create up to 4 videos a week for free. That's why in today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to create text-to-video content for Instagram and YouTube using InVideo in just a minute. Additionally, how can I upload this video on YouTube, create a thumbnail, and craft a title to make the video go viral? Let's get started. Just follow my steps. Let's go to InVideo.ai. Here you can create a video with a text prompt. Let's go to the price page. It has also a free plan for anyone who wishes to try AI video creation. Create 10 minutes video per week. With 10 GB storage, you can also try with a Plus membership. You will get stock photos and videos. After login, you can see the workflows. You can choose YouTube Explainer or Script Video or YouTube Shorts. I am selecting the YouTube Explainer, adding the time. Add a topic, like how to recover from a breakup. You can also add some optional creative directions. Type how the music background and choose a voice. Select the subtitles with highlighted things. You can also add watermark text in your video. Next, then if you have a stock plan, you can use stock photo, otherwise don't use stock and click continue. Next option, you need to set the audience look and feel, and the platform then use the continue button and let's wait. So in the meantime, just like and subscribe this channel. Now it's generated. Let's see how it looks.
Have you ever wondered why breakups hurt so much, even when you know it's for the best? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Breakups, no matter how amicable or necessary, can feel like an emotional...
Wow, it's a very nice video. Let's make some changes to the edit script or change some media. So you can edit and you can change your script as you need. So I am going to change something here that is welcome to our channel. Let's see what it looks like. It's changed. Let's do some media-related changes. So I don't like the second image. I am going to change it to replace it with sad woman image or video. Select the particular media and replace it with and search from the library. After selecting, click the apply changes. Let's see how it looks.
Parting ways amidst the thrumming city life. Over this poignant scene, a deep, resonant voiceover breathes into life, used to articulate the universal...
Let's ask AI to do some changes. Let's change the background music. Let's increase some volume. Wow, it's changed. You can also remove the watermark during the export if you have a Plus membership. Otherwise, all the videos will be stock mark.
Welcome to our channel, Brighten Up. Have you ever wondered why breakups hurt so much?
Let's export this video. So if your video uses stock images or video, then you need to use your Plus membership. You can choose no watermark and 4K. If the video has no use, stock video or image, you can export it 1080p with no watermark. The render is successful. Here is some description and the outline. You can save it to add to YouTube video description. Here is the final AI video generated.
Visual journey begins on the bustling streets of an urban cityscape. The world slows down as we witness a couple, their faces etched with sadness and resignation, parting ways amidst the thrumming city life. Over this poignant scene, a deep, resonant voiceover breathes into life. Welcome to Brighten Up. Ever wondered why breakups hurt so much, even when you're aware it's for the best? Suddenly, the scene shifts. Snapshots of raw, emotional turmoil punctuate the screen. A solitary figure hunched over a dinner table set for 2, a pillow stained with the tears of heart.
See, all the scenes are created as per the script. Oh, it's looking good? Let's see how to upload this video on YouTube with some tricks to viral this. Follow me. First step, create a channel and log in it. Then upload the video. Add some eye-catching headlines. You can use ChatGPT. Add the title and description, also the outline, which is saved from InVideo. Second step. We need one good thumbnail for the viewer. Let me show you how to create it. So you need to log in to Canva, adding some good titles and short titles. Remember, your thumb should be related to your video. I am done. I am going to download this thumbnail and upload it to the YouTube channel. Let's generate some tags from ChatGPT and copy and paste into your description. You can select the category of education or people's blogs, whatever you want. Also, one more important thing. If this video is AI generated, then you need to select the alternative content. Otherwise, your video will violate copyright or may be removed. Looks like there is no copyright found, so you can just generate and upload those videos to your YouTube channel. You can check out the description below. I have included all the links that I have used. Let me give you the top 7 faceless YouTube niches. 1. Travel. 2. Tech. 3. Motivation. 4. Relationship. 5. Finance. 6. Investment. 7. Luxury. You can choose one of the themes and start creating content. Use my promo code below the InVideo link to get 50 free AI minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful or have any questions or any AI topic related video, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please check out this video, How to Create AI Social Media Influencer. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.